Hi everyone, can you people hear me and see me? Am I audible and visible, guys? Can I get a heads up? Am I audible and visible? You can drop Y in the chat. If you can see me, if you can hear me, Diptesh Prajapati, thank you. You can drop Y if you cannot. Anything like if you cannot see me, if you cannot hear me, you can drop N. Y. Hello Siva, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Well, great. A lot of people have joined. We will wait for a minute five around. Okay, around 5 minutes, and we'll start the session. Today we are going to learn about how can you understand the multiple factors that are into organic aspects of digital marketing and how it's going to help you. To an extent we'll also discuss about it. Somajit, hi. Somajit, hi. Fahad, hi. Fahad. A lot of people are there, but I'm waiting for more people. There are a lot of more people that are going to be there. Hi, good evening Anshuman, good evening. Hi Santosh, hi Shahid, hi Fahad, hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in. We shall give it a few minutes because there are a lot of people are yet to join. So in case people are joining, they want to join, we shall wait for them, or else we'll just kickstart the session. Good evening Manisha, good evening. You people can call me Somendra. My name is Somendra. You people can call me that. I will just let you people know about me, what I do, and what all I do into digital. That would help you people to understand about my profile, why am I here in the session, am I eligible enough to tell you people what to do, what not to do into digital marketing again. That you people will get to know. Let me log into my LinkedIn that I can show you people my LinkedIn profile. Well, this is my Twitter. Great. Good evening, Raktima Singh Roy. Good evening, Good evening, Shrikeshavan. Hi, Vatsal. Hi, Pradeep Raja. Hi, everyone. It's hi, everyone. Hi, Gautam. Good evening, Amol. Good evening. Great. We will wait for a minute more, one more minute for everyone to join. From 34, it is 43 now. So 9 people. Good evening, Mayank Sharma. Good evening. Hi, Rumashya. Hi. I can read all of your comments. Hi, Himanshu. Hi. I can read all of your comments. I can see all of your names. I can't see all of you because you people cannot keep your this thing on camera. You can do that when you come up with Color Academy sessions. When you do it in the session, that time it is you can do that. But right now you cannot. Well, hi, Munaza. Hi. Well, fair enough. Okay, friends. So my name is Somendra, and I am here for the session of what are the best three organic methods to learn into digital marketing that can really help you to grow your business, or that can really help you as a professional into digital marketing, as a professional into tech and marketing. Like digital marketing is a blend of technology and marketing right now, right? If you are good with any kind of a medium, if you are good with social media or something that sort of, and if you know digital marketing, if you have a knack towards marketing, then you can really do amazing means of marketing. You can grow your business. There are tons of people who are successfully doing that. Again, these kind of sessions that really help you to understand about how digital marketing is going on, what are the multiple factors that you can learn into digital marketing and all. Moving on, I shall just introduce myself, and I would really love to tell you people what I do, and why I'm here in the session today, and how this session is going to help you. I'll also tell you a little about the idea, the pattern of the session. So we are going to do how we are going to start, how we are going to stop, and all of that. Great. Moving on. So I'll share my screen. I'll turn off my cam for a sec. Once I introduce myself, then I'll get into asking about you people. So this is how it goes. Okay. So first, I introduce myself in the session. You get to know about me, who is the person who is talking, is he eligible enough, and whatnot. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी विल आस्क यू पीपल दैट व्हाट यू पीपल डू. सो आर यू इनटू लेट्स से डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, are you into video marketing, are you into product industry, are you into service industry, what exactly do you do? That's what we look forward to learn, hear from you. I will show you that how many people are there or कौन क्या करता है usually. Then we get into the core of the subject, okay, ki what all things that you can do when it comes to learning digital. Once that's done, then we get into one of our courses in Colored Academy that we do. That's an ADMC program, like Advanced Digital Marketing Certification or Advanced Digital Marketing course. How that course help you, that also will let you know. We'll let you enroll to that course. If you don't want, no problem, please be there. You don't have to enroll if you don't want. One second, that's completely a point of choice. Last thing is I keep the Q&A open. There is something called Q&A. Okay, so Q&A is question and answer. So if you people have anything to ask me, you people can just go on and shoot me that question, and I take up that question and I answer that question, right? So moving on, I'll share my screen right now. I'll turn off my cam for a sec. Well, and you people should confirm me if you can see my screen or not. Just allow me a second, guys. If you people cannot hear me at any point of juncture, you people can tell that to me. This is completely going through internet, so definitely there can be some glitches. Even when you do meetings through live, there are also glitches. So definitely we are virtually doing this meeting, so kindly cooperate. Yeah, can you see my screen, friends? Can you chat yes or y in the chat? Awesome, thank you, Himanshu. मूविंग ऑन. सो आई डोंट नो इफ सम ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी नो मी, मुझे नहीं पता है सच में. शायद आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग मुझे जानते होंगे क्योंकि उन लोगों ने प्रीवियस सेशंस किए हुए थे. सो मे बी सम ऑफ यू पीपल आर अवेयर ऑफ मी. मूविंग ऑन. So my name is Somendranath. Som, okay, this is my LinkedIn. Definitely you people, if you people feel like connecting, you can connect. If you people feel like ignoring, you can definitely ignore. Well, so this is my LinkedIn and my name is Somendra. I'm a full stack digital marketer. That's what 360-degree digital marketer means. So what I do into digital is I do everything into digital, like A to Z, each and everything that I do into digital. I starting from content curation to search engine optimization to website designing to advertisement to graphics to tech to coding. I do most of the things. Okay. I have started this quite long back in 2014. I have started quite young as well. That's what I believe. You people may disagree. I started around 19-year-old somewhere, 18, 19 somewhere. I started doing getting into digital and all somewhere. And yeah, since then I have been there. And yeah, today I am working predominantly as a trainer and as a consultant. I work on multiple projects. This is my LinkedIn, several followers, and I have been featured into multiple companies, and I consult a lot of clients. You can see several of my clients over here. There are quite a lot of them. Even the latest ones I haven't even listed. So there are literally a lot of them. I can, once you get into the course, you people will get to know a lot about me down the line. Well, so this is what I do, right? So you can, if in case you are interested, if you are not interested, that's well enough. If in case you are interested, then here is my profile. You people are very comfortable to go through my complete profile, right? I have worked with multiple companies for digital as a digital marketing trainer, digital marketing consultant, digital marketing manager, and all of that. Right now, I'm with Colored Academy, and definitely I'm associated with them for since more than 1.5 months somewhere right now. And yes, I am taking care of most all the training stuff that you people, let's say you people are joining in. So I am probably the trainer. There are other trainers too, but there is a big chance that you get me as a trainer. Well, and yeah, I help you people into consulting as well. So that is my LinkedIn. You can definitely check my LinkedIn. I do freelancing. I'm a freelancer since 2014. I still do freelancing. So yeah, you get to learn a lot about that when you join in the courses, and I help you to get that as well to an extent. Well, this is my Twitter. Definitely, if you are interested, you can follow me on Twitter. If you are not interested, again, please ignore. You don't need to follow me. If you are interested, you can follow me on Twitter. Now, the question may be, why would I follow you? I tweet a lot of things that are 100% industry relevant and moving on with a lot of updates of the industry that you get. So you can keep checking those all of things. Well, now this is about me. Now I really want to know a little about you people, because the crowd that I'm talking to, if I'm not sure about the crowd, then it doesn't really give me an idea about what I'm talking, right? So I have stopped my screen sharing and turn on my cam. I would really shoot few polls to you people, and you people have to take up yes or no. Just yes or no pe click kar dena. The first poll is what you do. So I just want to know what you people do. So are you a student? Are you a businessman? Are you a working professional or housewife? Okay, so there are most of the people are uh, working professional and businessman also, and students also. That really looks great. Well, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. Thanks a lot, guys. And I really request everyone to vote. There are 80%, 83% people have voted right now. I request everyone to vote. If you do not want to vote, that's bad. You better vote. If you do not want to be engaging, you can leave the session. Moving on. The next thing that we have is yes. Now the next thing is, have you really done digital marketing before? So have you been explored to digital marketing before? कोई कोर्स किया है आपने, या आपने कुछ काम किया है, या have you done anything? Good evening, Mukund. Good evening. Have you done any of these things? Okay, most of the people haven't done a digital marketing course. Most of the people haven't done that. Great. So I will show you the data. Everyone, please take up the polls. I really request you people to take up the poll. Be a little serious in the session. It helps you. Well, great. 82% people have taken the poll. Well, next question that I have is, well, do you like to take up the Color Academy ADMC course? Again, it's a matter of choice. You are not bounded to take that up. If you want, you can take up. If you do not want, you may not take up. That's completely fine. Akshay, I done from Color Academy only. That's amazing, Akshay. Kudos to you. I hope you have learned a lot. Wow, most of the people, it's kind of 50-50. No, most of the people want to take it up. Great, great. Everyone should vote. Do not hesitate to vote. Please vote. I mean, vote for yes or vote for no, whatever suits you. That's great. Wow, 73%. I really request remaining people to vote as well. Now, the next thing that we have is, last question is, how much time would you like to spend when it comes to learning digital marketing? So would you like to spend only 2 hours a week, or do you like to spend 40 hours plus a week, or 5 hours plus a week? It's completely upon you. Wow, there are a lot of people who want to spend 2 hours a week. I really request you people to increase that. 2 hours a week doesn't make you a digital marketer. Very clearly, मुंह के ऊपर बोल रहा हूं मैं आपको, मुंह के ऊपर. It doesn't make you a digital marketer. Okay. So 5 plus hours, okay. 5 plus 10 plus hours are good per week, but again, the more you can give, because there are few people who are digital, who are working into, let's say, software, maybe software engineer, maybe a salesperson, maybe graphic designer, maybe Google Ads specialist, maybe just a student, maybe they're into their studies, they're into their college degrees, right? So you may be feeling difficulties to do it. Few people, like only 3 people have taken it. I want to do it 40 hours plus a week. Kudos to you people. You are really going to do it faster. नहीं मयांक, 2 hours a day बहुत सही है, लेकिन मैं बात कर रहा था वीक के लिए. 2 hours a day is very good. How much do we need to pay for this course? I'll tell you that, Raktima. I'll tell you that. You need to, right now you learn the thing, then you can understand how much you need to pay. Moving on. Now I will show you these things. What all is there as a feedback of review. Have a look at these. Can you see the screen, guys? Can I see yes in the chat? If my screen is visible, my screen is visible. Can you see my screen? Super awesome. Dekho how what people are talking. So what do you do? Most of the people are student and then working professional, then they are business and freelance professionals or freelance businessman. Then we have the next question, that is, let me turn off the cam. It's actually, this Demio tool is very bad. My screen, there was just an interruption from this thing. Just a second. Yeah, I can see the chats. I can see the chats. I can see the chats. I hope my screen is not visible, right? Can you people see my screen? I think it's an N, right? You cannot see my screen, right? Yeah, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Now can you people see? Now see, it will come up. अभी screen आ जाएगा, अभी दिखाई दे रहा है, right? I just fixed it. It's coming up, right? Yeah, thank you. So have a look at the results of the polls. Okay, so most of the people are saying that they are students and working professional. Next, have you done digital marketing before? The most of the people, they are like, no, they haven't done digital marketing. The next of the people like, do you want to take up? There are 27 people who wants to take up. There are 23 people who do not want to take up. That's completely cool. How much time do you want to spend? So most of the people, how much is the percentage? 33, and 33 are telling 5 hours per week, and very less people are saying 40 hours per week. Let me tell you this very clearly. If you are learning something and if you do not want to spend time on that, then it's going to be very challenging. Fair enough. Moving on. So now, guys, my screen sharing will be on. Okay, I hope I'm fairly audible, and I also hope my screen sharing is very clearly visible. We will learn few things here, and these are three fundamentals that we will learn right now in the class. Don't worry, in the Q&A I will again turn on the cam, and you people definitely get to talk to me again and get to see me again. I really request you people not to shoot a lot of questions in the middle of the session, because in the middle of the session the idea is to talk as layman as possible and making everyone understand about what we are talking. If they want to become they want to get into marketing, why they should get in, and all of that. So, and we can technically take Q&As at the fag end of the session. Well, fair enough. Now the very first thing that I want to ask you people is, how many of you have heard of this thing, that is, my network is fighting with me. I hope I can get the session recorded later. I really request you to join the live session. Well, now the next first thing that I would like to ask you people is, when I call that organic or free methods of digital marketing, what do you really mean? Like, what does it make it free method, or what does it make it organic method? Can anyone explain quickly in the chat? I really, oh, thank you, Fahad. I really appreciate if you can explain. Just 2 lines, hashtags. Well, fair enough. What else? Well, you know, how many of you know about this term called Google Ads? Google Ads के बारे में किस-किसको पता है? Social media ads. किस-किसने सुना है? How many of you people have heard? Santosh, Abhimanyu, and a lot of them. Great. Most of the people have heard. Great, great, great. I got it, guys. SCM. Yes, SCM. Well, now, you know, when you go for Google Ads, let's type something on Google. Let's say, okay, some people run FB ads. Really appreciate that. So let's say you are typing, let's say you are typing data science courses, just a random type. Well, now here can you see there is something that you get to see, like IIT Madras data science course and all of that. You know, this is a Google ad. How many of you know this is a Google ad? Kisko pata hai it's a Google ad? Anyone who is aware that that is a Google ad? This one is a Google ad. You know, I'll open a cutout of the same. I'll take a cutout of the same and I'll show that to you. You know, this is a Google ad. And can anyone tell me, how do you recognize that this is a Google ad? If are you on mobile, Mayank, then I'm sorry for you. I cannot increase the size of the screen. Well, can anyone tell me why it is an ad? Yes, we can see it's an ad. That's completely right. Who is that? I forgot. It's Fahad maybe. Ad written. Everyone is telling ad written. Completely right. It's an ad, you know. Similarly, if you go to, let's say, social media, or if you go to, LinkedIn only. Let's go LinkedIn. Now, if you go LinkedIn, and this is the easiest way to make you understand, you know, you in the sense, all of you people, some people may know, some people may not know. People who know that, that's really amazing. People who do not know, they will already get to know it right now. Well, now, if you get into this thing, that is social media channels, any of the social media channel, let's say, be it LinkedIn, be it Twitter, be it Facebook, be it IG, that is Instagram, anything, Snapchat, kahi pe bhi. Now, just give it a second. It's loading. I'll show you some promotional activities there also. Well, now when you scroll down over here, you get to see a lot of posts, right, guys? बहुत सारे posts दिखते हैं. देखो, आप जो second post देखोगे, most of the cases, जो second post आएगा, this is again an ad, you know. Can anyone tell me why it is an ad? How you can get to know this is actually an advertisement? Any idea? How you get to know this is an advertisement? This lady is trying to speak something. Well, let me see the chats. Promoted. You people are smart enough. That's great. It's promoted, right? Now guys, now coming down to the real point, okay? ये तो बस examples थे. देखो, ये promoted चलाने के लिए, to run on this promoted thing, no, as well as to run on this ad thing, okay? To run on this ad thing, to run on this promoted thing, right? You need to pay. Whom do you need to pay? You need to pay this guy, that is LinkedIn. When you are running ads on LinkedIn, you need to pay LinkedIn. When you are running ads on Google, you need to pay Google. When you are running ads on Twitter, you need to pay Twitter. When you are running ads on Facebook, you need to pay Facebook. When you are running ads on IG, you need to pay IG. Although Facebook तो IG को own करता है अभी. When you are running ads on Snapchat, you need to pay Snapchat. When you are running ads on Bing, how many of you know about Bing.com? Bing के बारे में किसी को पता है? How many of you know Bing.com? And what is Bing? Can anyone tell? Anyone who knows about Bing? No one? Okay, some people know. Madhu Babu. Madhu knows. Yes, yes. What is Bing? Search engine. That's right. That's completely right. So, you know, Bing also you can search something. You can search anything actually in Bing. So, Bing is also a search engine. So, Bing also, if you are running ads, no, there is something called Bing ads or ads.bing.com, ads.microsoft.com. So these are Microsoft ads or this is Bing and you got to run ads over here. You know, आपको पे करना पड़ता है इसके लिए. किसको पे करना पड़ता है? आपको दोनों को पे करना पड़ता है. You have to pay two people. When you want to run ads on LinkedIn or Google or FB or anywhere, Bing, whom do you have to pay? There are two people whom you have to pay. Can anyone call out those two? दोनों को पे करना पड़ता है. Bing is a search engine, हाँ. But who are the two people? दो लोग में कौन है? Who are the two people you are paying? हाँ, Microsoft is for Bing, but who else? और कौन है जिसको आप पेमेंट करते हो? Microsoft is the one that you are paying. No, 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 no. अरे गूगल पे एड चलाओगे तो गूगल को पे करोगे, लेकिन when you run Google ads you still pay two people, you know. You don't only pay Google. One person, the first person is Google, okay, but who is the second person? Any idea? No idea. Digital marketer, maybe, right? It is the digital marketer. It is the digital marketer. No, not a blogger. It is the digital marketer, or let's say digital marketing professional. Completely right. गूगल पे जब एड्स चलाओगे, व्हेन यू रन ऑन एड्स ऑन गूगल, गूगल पे एड हवा से तो नहीं चलेगा ना. इट विल नॉट रन. द एड विल टेक मनी, द एड विल टेक एफर्ट्स टू. यू हैव टू डिजाइन द एड्स, राइट? वो तो ऐसे ही नहीं, आई मीन इट विल नॉट रन आउट ऑफ अ ब्लू, राइट? It needs efforts. Who puts that effort? The person who puts that effort, he is a fellow who is a professional or a pro into Google ads, or he is a digital marketer. He makes money, Google makes money, you run a business, right? But when I call out this thing that is organic free methods, organic or free methods, you know, you don't pay an authority there. You only pay one authority. You don't pay to two authorities, you only pay to one authority, that is digital marketer. सिर्फ आप इस बंदे को पेमेंट करते हो या बंदी को पेमेंट करते हो. You only pay this lady or this guy. You don't pay to Google, you don't pay to LinkedIn, you do not pay to FB, Bing, anyone else. And you know, there are three top means, right? There are a lot, by the way. Skills पे तो बहुत कुछ है. There are a lot of skills that you can learn into digital only. But we will be talking today three means of that. The first one of that is called SEO. What is the full form of SEO? Anyone who knows? Maybe some people. Anyone who knows what's the full form of SEO? It's called, the first one is search. I think a lot of people know. Himanshu, search engine optimization. Akshay knows. Lishmi knows. Great, Shamita. Everyone is right. So it's search engine optimization, right? It's called search engine optimization. The next thing that comes in is SMO. Can anyone call out what is this? It also has got a full form. It starts with social. Anyone? It's easy now. अभी तो बच्चों की तरह हाँ नहीं, social media marketing नहीं, social media optimization, right? Social media optimization. Now let me tell you the last thing, and that is also very fruitful. Okay, that is big monster industry. that start with that is called CW. बहुत ही easy है, बहुत ही easy है. Anyone? सबको पता चल जाएगा. Content marketing, हाँ, या और एक आप बोल सकते हो इसको CW से क्या हो सकता है? Content writing, not CW, yeah. Content writing, right? Now these are the very primary ones, okay, that are into digital marketing since decades and decades, and it's going to be there because these are the pillars also. And you don't have to pay any other authority than the digital marketer when you do digital marketing with these three means. Now, similarly, how do you really do it? That's the big question. Now, social media is I will take out each and every aspect and I'll explain. Now, first thing is search engine optimization. You know, there are a lot of companies, okay? Lot मतलब बहुत सारे. Lot से भी वो कम लगेगा सुनने में. All the companies that are there, no, they need to rank their website on the top of Google. Can anyone give me some keywords? आप Google पे क्या सर्च करते हो? कोई बता सकता है? Google पे जैसे मैं सर्च करता हूँ best, let's say I search best ice cream parlor nearby or something that sort of, जो भी है, best ice cream parlor nearby. What do people search? Can anyone give me some keywords? Any keywords, guys? Entrance center, awesome. Hair salon, right? Anything else? Live cricket, हाँ, live cricket चलेगा. Best restaurants for biryani, right? Best digital marketer near me, right? Restaurants near me, right? ATM near me, that's correct. Restaurants near me. What else? You also search for best bloggers, yes. Textile splendor, super awesome. Grocery store near me, best, great. Now, this is the power, okay? अभी यहाँ पे देखो, if you search about, let's say best near me, best salons near me, आपको काफी सारे listing आ रहा है, right? There are several listings that you get to see. Scroll down, you get to see different salons also. You want to visit in this? See, just open the website. See, this is called, क्या है इसका नाम? The Wine Bangalore. Okay, so they are there. So this one that is ranking on the top of Google, ये है, और भी कोई सारे हैं, जैसे कि क्या है, मैजिक पिन तो एक ऐप हो गया उसका. हाँ, मैजिक पिन पे भी रेस्टोरेंट्स लिस्टेड है. सो सिटी भी है. स्टाइल क्रेज is a restaurant there. Urban Company, yeah, Urban Company is Urban Club, they are there. You know, this is a fight actually. ये literally fight है, ये सचमुच का fight है. Now, what is the fight? The fight is to get your company on the top of Google. That is what is the fight. See, how many of you know, like, ये तो खाली company नहीं है, right? There are a lot of companies who are there. There are a lot of salons who are there. There are a lot of stores who are there. There are a lot of ice cream parlors who are there. But is everyone coming on the top? The answer is a big no, right? Everyone is not coming on the top. The answer is a big no. But who are coming on the top, do you know? Who are doing SEO? Hence, there are a lot of businesses who want SEO professionals, okay? They need SEO pros, जिसको बहुत अच्छे से SEO आता है, या जो SEO professional है. They need SEO professionals. With the help of SEO professionals, you know, if you learn SEO professionals, then you have a great edge to do freelancing, to get into jobs, start your blog, and whatnot, right? This is one of the skills into digital marketing that is fairly technical. ये काफी टेक्निकल है भाई, मैं अभी बता दे रहा हूं कि आप कोर्स ज्वाइन करो कुछ अलग दिमागी हालत में, फिर कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद आपको समझ में नहीं आया, then you will have a blast on me. No, it's quite technical. But is it difficult? No, it's a process worthy thing. You have to follow the process. You have to learn this. Then while deploying, while implementing, you have to again have the discipline of work to do SEO. SEO is 100% on high time demand, and not only today, it was there yesterday also. It is going to be there tomorrow also. And you can easily see the fight in between. If I even write another keyword, let's say best MBA colleges in Bangalore, you again get to see colleges coming on the top in the featured snippet. There are other ranked, blogs and business schools and colleges as well. Is it not? This is a fight. This is a consistent fight that has been there, that people are doing, and that is what is SEO. And it's a big, big, big skill to acquire. Is it a skill of the day? No, it's even a skill of tomorrow. It is a very fruitful organic skill. What is an organic skill? Organic skill means you are a service provider, you are providing that service. Yeah, for that service maybe you are paying, you are getting payments as well, but maybe you are doing something extra that boosts your SEO, right? But at the end of the day, it is an organic mean of improving your Google ranking. Did you get that? So far so good, guys. Can I see some Y in the chat? Can I see some Y in the chat? So far so good. सबको समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा मोटा? अभी मास्टर बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा समझ जाओगे अगर आप, even if you are a 40-year-old senior person who is having a lot of knowledge, I'm telling to you also, you do not need to understand A to Z right now because it's not possible within 1 hour. You really need to work for 6 days just to understand this. I'm on a serious note, I'm telling you. Okay, it needs time. Now we at Kalada, we have that many sessions. Thanks a lot, guys. Moving on, the next thing that you have that is organic, and yet it is so appealing and so demanding, and it's going to be demand worthy because there are more. Web 2.0 is coming on the go. Can anyone tell what is Web 2.0? Anyone who can tell what is Web 2.0? Anyone? No. Okay, fair enough. Anyone else? No. Google is not Web 2.0. Google is Web 2.0, but not directly proportionate. It's quite the other way around. Well, version तो है ही. ये अब क्या हुआ? मैं बोलूंगा कि I will ask you what is BMW 8 series. You will tell version. Definitely that's a version. Well, but what is 8 series? Now, what is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 is UGC platforms or UGC websites. What is UGC? Anyone? It is an acronym, by the way. मुझे लगता है ये आप लोगों को पता आएगा. Yes, Mashroor. That's why I told you this. Yeah, Google crawling. No, advanced version of the enhanced secure web. अरे बाप रे. No, it has got nothing to do with security on the forefront. User generated content. Awesome. Jagrit it is okay. User generated content. What is user generated content, guys? You know, user generated content examples. No one. User generated content examples are social media, forums, 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 और क्या क्या है? Forums हो गया. हाँ, then you have got directories, yeah, like Just Dial. Now, let me explain you. When it comes to things like Web 2.0, if you go to LinkedIn, does LinkedIn create his own content? LinkedIn का मालिक कौन है? How many of you know who are the owner of LinkedIn? Which company is the owner of LinkedIn? Anyone? I know most of you people know it. Microsoft. Pradeep Raja is completely right. Microsoft is the owner of LinkedIn so far. They have developed it and they are running on LinkedIn. Okay. So now can you answer me? Does LinkedIn its own social media post? LinkedIn खुद बनाता है क्या social media post? ए हिमांशु का LinkedIn बनाता है, लेकिन आप इतना थोड़े बनाता है, सब अलग लोग बनाते हैं, right? Yes, it's a no. See, when it comes to LinkedIn, when it comes to Twitter, when it comes to क्या है Instagram, Facebook, you go and post there, right? ये क्या है Strategy, ये LinkedIn है क्या खुद? He is not LinkedIn, right? I am not LinkedIn, right? Scrolling down, और कौन है? This guy, Writers Relief is not LinkedIn. Interesting Engineering, it's a page, it's not LinkedIn, right? और ये कौन है? Reshwant is not LinkedIn, right? Gaurav is not LinkedIn, but they are still making posts, right? This is user generated content. Okay, now these platforms like Web 2.0 platform, which are predominantly user generated content platforms, they are making money out of UGC, out of the content that users are generating. They are not generating, users are generating, people who are using that platform. Similarly Twitter, similarly Bing or Google. Yes, Google पे भी आप ही लोग हम ही लोग content generate करते हैं. Similarly we have और कौन है? Then there are Facebook, there are Instagram, and there are a lot. You know, into user generated content, there are more platforms. How many of you know about Quora.com? Yeah, Instagram, right? Quora. Quora.com किसको पता है? I'll open Quora. Quora.com. How many of you know Quora.com? Anyone who is a writer in Quora or something? I write on Quora. You can check my profile. Yes, right. So a lot of people is aware. A lot of people are aware of Quora. That's amazing. That's amazing. You people are aware of this. That's great. Q&A forum. That's completely right. Binod is right. Q&A forum. Quora.com is a Q&A forum. People can ask questions on Quora. People can answer questions on Quora, right? So Quora.com is again a web 2.0, guys. ये खुद ही हाँ, right Mukund. Okay, it's itself is a web 2.0. Why it's a web 2.0? Because it is again user generated content. अब बताओ, how many of you know about Reddit? Reddit? Anyone who knows about Reddit? Yes, there are a lot of people. Okay, Raktima doesn't know, but there are a lot of people who knows about Reddit. If you don't know, let me show you Reddit. Reddit is again a platform, okay, which is again into Q&A, which is actually an AMA platform. Ask me anything वाला platform है. तो वहां पे जाके आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो, एंड आई मीन इट, कुछ भी आप पूछ सकते हो. तो ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई दे मैड, मतलब कुछ भी, यू कैन रियली आस्क एनीथिंग. एंड बिलीव मी गाइस, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक्स on which you can learn, and while you learn those topics, you can really understand those topics. That is reddit.com. But Reddit is more about fun and more about things that are so commercial, not commercial, that are so entertainment worthy. Yeah, that would be the right word. These are all web 2.0, you know. Now in web 2.0, okay, what happens is you got to create profiles and you got to optimize those. Now why do you need to do that? Do you know that? The reason is, again, there are businesses who wants to grow their grow their business on social media. Okay, grow your client's business or even your business. I'm just talking about clients because day in and out मेरे दिमाग में वही रहता है. I work with a lot of clients, so मेरे दिमाग में वही रहता है. But yeah, it can be even your own business on social media. Just to tell you an example, how many of you know about? How many of you know about? How many of you know about Beer Biceps? Beer Biceps. Yes, there are a lot of people knows. Yeah, GitHub is also UGC, my friend. Yeah, there are a lot of, okay, few people do not know. Beer Bicep, can anyone tell in the chat to these people who don't know what Beer Bicep does? आदित्य बता सकते हो क्या आपको? हाँ, मोटिवेशनल भी करता है, यूट्यूब चैनल, राइट. इट्स एन यूट्यूब चैनल. तो बियर बाइसेप ने क्या किया? बियर बाइसेप ने बहुत, वो बस एक एग्जांपल है, देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एग्जांपल्स. बियर बाइसेप, या पॉडकास्ट आल्सो, दैट्स राइट. सुमिताभ, दैट्स राइट. So yeah, Mumbai guy. So Beer Vaisef is a YouTube channel, and he himself grew the channel to an extent that today it's a big deal. Okay, today the channel is very successful and whatnot. That was again on social media. YouTube is a social media. On social media optimization, he took help of only one thing. But again, पूरा तो नहीं, but most of that. He took help of organic traffic. He took help of organic methods. Similarly, when you see my blog, I think I didn't tell you, like I run a blog. Now there, since last period, traffic has grown significantly because I have put on a lot of optimization in terms of search engine optimization. This is what I'm doing. It is again the content that I'm creating, and I'm keeping it here as a stock content, as an asset based income, let's say, for a matter. But yeah, it takes a lot of efforts, by the way, right? So that is where, if you can learn about search engine social media optimization or social media marketing, जो कि organic नहीं है, उस पर पैसा लगता है. You need to have money for dropping a lot of money to run ads. That's a different thing that we have in the sessions, by the way. But technically, when you do social media optimization, and you do one more thing, that is social media content creation, if you do these two things, again the same thing, you will have a fair amount of clients who need you as a freelancer. You will have fair amounts of clients who need you as an executive or a manager. You can even grow your own blogs and whatnot, or own YouTube channel, or whatever it is. That's what is again the next, or I'm not ranking them, I'm just telling it is another method which is an organic method. It can be done organically. Like, just to give you a bare minimum number, okay, I don't have 3 million, 1 million, 80,000, 90,000 much of followers. On LinkedIn, if I have 8,000, I have around 8K or something followers, lesser, higher, somewhere. That is organic reach. Here, if I have 400 plus, that is organic reach. Even to get that much for a business page, it's a good one. Yes, it is actually a good one. If you don't know, if you think, no, it's nothing, let me tell you, it's a good one for a business page specifically. That is also good. They need these kind of people who can grow their business pages, who can grow their influencer pages, who can grow their consulting pages. If it is a company, then so it's a job itself. That's a different thing only. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स इन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत हाई डिमांडिंग चीज है, बहुत बहुत ही दिनों से, आज नहीं है, बहुत ही दिनों से और रहेगा भी, वो अलग ही काइंड ऑफ एक स्किल है जिसको कहते हैं कंटेंट राइटिंग. How many, anyone, not how many, I'll not ask, anyone who is good at content writing? Can I see heads up? किसी को आता है content writing? Who can claim, yes, I can write good content? I think I am okay. Roktima is there. Shahid saying, no, I'm not. Mayank saying, yes, that's amazing. I'm confident. That's great. Vinod saying, yes. Let me tell you guys, content writing, what Santosh is saying, little bit. Fahad is saying sometimes. That's great. So if you know it, it's a good skill. Now, is it only a skill to say to people, to say your brother or girlfriend, boyfriend, or your parents? No, it's a skill to make money. Let me tell you, my journey as a digital marketer started with content writing. मैंने सबसे पहले content और SEO को लेके start किया था, क्योंकि मुझे घंटा कुछ पता नहीं था कि digital marketing होता क्या है. तो बहुत ही मैं मतलब I was very I won't say young, but I was very like, I was not so aware of the international market and what's happening out there in the world. Actually, I was a very novice thing who just got into this business out of a very sheer interest actually. So I started with content writing. If you still see my services, it includes content marketing, it includes content writing, and all the forms of content. Let me tell you, I have done content that are into academic writing, that is into copy. I still do copywriting. Copywriting, web copies, I still write copies. Right now I'm working, all the clients that I'm working, most of the copies for all of them I do create. Then I have done technical content writing. This one I have done for the, ये मैंने सबसे कम किया है academic, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, I didn't like it. But remaining I have done a lot. Okay, then I have done website content writing and etc. Blog, though I myself have, I keep doing that. That's a different thing altogether. But yeah, for other people also have written a lot, blog content writing. Now, you people may be thinking, ये बंदा कि he is telling these are all different. Is it real or is like all same only? No, these are all different. Academic content writing is the content that you read in books. Copywriting is the content that you read in marketing contents. Web copies is the content that you're reading websites that are landing pages that are selling you a product. Technical content writing is a content writing for software installation, help files, user guide, and whatnot. Website content writing is as simple as the content that you get to see in coloredacademy.com website, as simple as a content that you get to see in this website. Website content writing is little easier than the other form of content writing. Blog content writing is nothing else but blogging. If you are a food blogger, if you are a tech blogger, आप कुछ भी हो सकते हो, वो आपका choice है. That is blogging. Now this is a big, it's really big. Big is even a smaller word for this. This is a huge industry again. If you can just know content writing, मतलब सिर्फ content writing के साथ, you can have a tons of freelance clients. On a serious note, you can have a tons of jobs as well. You can give your business a wing as well, because you are a good content writer. You can write for your business. I even have a consulting website working with a lot of clients, so I have to have that. If you go Google and you search about me, you will get me. So let's say you are searching about Somain, the growth consultant. I'm a growth consultant. Have a look. This is my site. Open the site. Well, यहाँ पे जो content है ना, again these are I have written, but यहाँ पे जो content है, that is more into web content writing, and a touch of copy is there actually. Like copy touches a blog that gives you insight. Insight Casa is my blogging zone. Check it out now. online as well as classroom training as a trainer, as well as a classroom trainer, delivering lectures and practical sessions. Consultant, end-to-end consulting starting from brand awareness to lead generation. Digital marketer, digital marketing is about helping businesses to grow online. I'm a 360-degree marketer. Freelancers, accomplished 100 plus gigs on individual and company level as a freelancer. Content pro, written for ये उससे भी ज़्यादा होगा, 100 plus businesses. I can give life to your thoughts by spreading to your audiences. These are web content writing. Okay, ये मेरा website आप लोग देख सकते हो बाद में. So this is just an example. Okay, how do you do content and all of that. It itself is a very big industry, and this itself is a very niche industry actually. This is again a very good organic lead or organic deal to learn, wherein you get paid. आपको पैसा मिलता है, किसी कोई और प्लेटफॉर्म को पैसा नहीं मिलता है, आप कमाते हो. प्लेटफॉर्म भी कमाए, उस पर दिक्कत कोई नहीं है. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट इट. बट द पॉइंट हियर इज you can make a career out of it, a serious career, right? These are the primary methods. Now moving on, just to tell you, it's not necessary that you have to get into some only to some Colored Academy courses to learn that. No, it's not that. You can even learn it by yourself. But yeah, again, मैंने एक poll shoot किया था, उसमें मैंने पूछा था how much time do you want to really spend. Definitely you have to spend a lot time. Not only that, आपको discipline चाहिए. You need a lot of discipline to learn. You have to practice a lot. You have to follow qualitative content, be it YouTube, be it blogs, be it ebooks, be it people. You have to follow qualitative content. Similarly, if you want to learn all of these things, okay, starting from क्या क्या था, हम लोगों ने क्या क्या पे बात किया, SEO पे बात किया, उसके बाद SMO पे बात किया, then we talked about social media marketing, then content writing. Then we at Kalada, we do have a course, okay, that is an ADMC course. It's an advanced course, and that course delves into A to Z of digital marketing, which is a course of 3.5 months of a course. 3 से 4 महीना लगता है तकरीबन. By the way, ये भी बहुत कम है, but we have tried our best to make it short and keeping it very affordable since a longer years passed. कि लोग जल्दी से निकल सके सीख के, क्योंकि लोगों को 3 महीना भी ज्यादा लगता है, by the way. But yeah, lesser than that, it's very difficult. Now, this is a program that we have, okay? Now, in that program, what we train you on is we have session on Saturdays and Sundays, and we train on each and every digital marketing aspect, each and every. Like, I can show you the entire brochure, although I will drop the brochure to you people. Here you can see, starting from content towards blogging to Google ads to graphic designing to Facebook marketing, जो कि social media marketing है, website designing, yes, I forgot that part, website designing, lead generation, SEO, complete SEO, that is search engine optimization, WhatsApp marketing, social media strategy, बहुत सारे Bing ads, Google ads, blogging, affiliate, Google Analytics, search engine optimization, Snapchat marketing, ये LMS पे है by the way, LinkedIn marketing, Quora marketing, Twitter marketing and whatnot. All of these things, Google Analytics, we train you on. हम लोग training देते हैं इन सब चीजों पे. We do that. Now, you have definitely a lot of certificates that you get after that. There are around 20 certificates that includes SEO, display ads, Google ads, social media ads, then content, digital marketing certifications. From Kalada also you get certifications. There are around 20 certifications that you get. Now, these certifications technically help those people जो लोग freelancing करना चाहते हैं, जो लोग job के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं, that helps them a lot. Businessman people who are in the class right now, for you, learning is the key. You have to learn the most out of the course. If you can learn, then you can technically grow your own business. Again, we are not the only one who are offering this course. Definitely you can get hold of alternatives. That's a different point of discussion. But yeah, if you learn with us properly, which is a 101 course, like आप लोग live रहते हो, you can see me, we do it in Zoom, okay? So what are the facilities if you check? So we do weekend batches. It's only Saturday and Sunday. 2 slots, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. You will be in any of the other slots. Okay, एक ही बैच आपको अटेंड करना है, Saturday भी, Sunday भी. Then okay, by the way, we do weekend batches because most of our people are busy people. They are either graduation or post graduation students, or they are really like fair enough business people, and they're really like, there are even people like influencers, singers and all. There are people. Last batch only we have, I will not take the name. Once you get into the courses, आपको अच्छे से पता चल जाएगा सब कुछ. Program timing and facilities. So what are the facilities with Kalada? It is a live training, so you don't follow videos. We have one-on-one consulting. If you have problems, you can talk to directly to the trainer one-on-one on a video call method. LMS, we even have all the videos recorded of the same. If you have missed the class yesterday that was live, you can refer to the recorded video of the same class. You get a coordinator guide, you get placement assistance. Now, how much does it cost? That a lot of people were asking. Well, if you wait and book the course for a later purpose, it may cost you more, and that cost is this much. That is 29,500, including GST. But in case you don't do that and you book that straight up right now, and you book it only with the help of 999 rupees, then what you tend to get is you get the entire course only at 20,000. But let me tell you, right now it's 7 p.m. going to be, so that is only available. No, it's 8 p.m. going to be. That is only available till 9 p.m. 9 p.m. के बाद आपको ये price नहीं मिलेगा. So if you do not want to, then you can leave it. If you want to really, then you better book it right now. Otherwise, आपको ज़्यादा ही पड़ेगा cost. That's the one thing. So this is what was from my end. And I really thank you people for tuning in. More of it, I'll drop 2 links to refer to our stuffs and all. And at the same point of time, I'll really let you people know about how you people can do Q&A with me. So you people can now ask me the questions that you people really wanted to have. So you people can now, let's go on and shoot me the questions that you people want to have. In the meantime, I would just want to have I would like to drop the link of where you people can really join in the course. So this is the one, book your seat just at 999. You can join in the course. Yeah, if you people have any question, just go on. And one thing, guys, if you people want